luscious lemon bars. Hey Rach, my name's Sadie Radinsky and my first book just came out. It's called Whole Girl, Live Vibrantly, Love Your Entire Self, and Make Friends with Food. I'm so excited to be teaching you how to make these luscious lemon bars from the book. This is my all-time favorite recipe. It took me 16 tries to get it right, but I'm so happy with how it turned out. Now we're gonna make the shortbread crust of the lemon bars. We're gonna combine half a cup and 3 tablespoons of coconut flour, add in 2 tablespoons of arrowroot starch, and half a teaspoon of sea salt. And I'm gonna whisk it up. Now I'm gonna add in the wet ingredients. We've got a 1/4 cup of monk fruit syrup, a 1/4 cup of sustainable palm shortening, and we're also gonna add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're gonna crack 1 egg into the bowl and mix all of this up with a rubber spatula until it forms a dough. We're gonna pop this beautiful shortbread crust into our already lined baking dish and press it down evenly into the bottom of the pan. Now using a fork, you're gonna poke holes in the bottom of the crust so they get some ventilation when it bakes. Now we're gonna pop this in the oven 350 degrees to bake for about 20 to 22 minutes. While the crust bakes, we're gonna make the filling. So we're gonna combine 3 tablespoons of arrowroot starch with just half a teaspoon of coconut flour in a bowl. We're gonna pour in a couple tablespoons of our lemon juice and then whisk this up just until the arrowroot and coconut flour are dissolved. So we've got our 3/4 cup of delicious freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon zest, and our sweetener for the filling is half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of classic monk fruit sweetener. Now we're gonna crack in 4 eggs plus 1 egg yolk, and we're gonna whisk this all up. Our crust is done baking, which means it's time to work really fast. All right, here she is. We have to pour the filling in while the crust is piping hot. Now we're gonna pop this back in the oven, turn the heat down to 325, and bake it for about 17 to 22 minutes. All right, they're done baking, and now we have to let them cool for a couple hours just so they can set. Now we're gonna dust the tops of the bars with some powdered monk fruit. Using a sharp, non-serrated knife, we're gonna cut these into 16 squares. All right, they're done. Look at these gorgeous, gluten-free, grain-free, sugar-free, luscious lemon bars. I can't wait to dig in. Oh my God.
Thank you, Sadie. Yay, you! Great messaging and great recipes. Thank you, my friend. Keep up the great work. And congratulations on everything.